Did you know 1 in 3 adults might have insulin resistance and not even realize it? Crazy, right? But here's the deal: this silent issue can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and even bigger problems like type 2 diabetes. But don't stress. Today, we're going to cover the signs, the causes, and what you can do to fight back. Let's dive in. What is insulin resistance? Alright, so insulin resistance is when your cells stop responding properly to insulin. Normally, insulin helps control your blood sugar after you eat carbs. But when your body resists, it keeps too much sugar in your blood. That extra sugar, it gets stored as fat, especially belly fat. And here's the kicker: today's average diet is loaded with way more sugar than we need. For example, in the US, people consume 124 grams of sugar a day, 31 times more than necessary. All that sugar gets turned into fat, and the more sugar you eat, the more insulin your body pumps out. How to know if you have it? So how do you know if you might be dealing with insulin resistance? Some signs to watch out for include gaining weight, especially around the belly, feeling super tired after eating, darkened skin, especially around your neck or armpits, skin tags, craving carbs like crazy, brain fog or difficulty concentrating. But don't panic if this sounds familiar. We're going to talk about how you can start fixing this. Quick question: are you finding this helpful so far? If yes, drop a like and subscribe for more health tips that can help transform your life. And if you've got tips of your own for tackling insulin resistance, share them in the comments below. Now, back to the good stuff. What causes insulin resistance? First, eating too many refined carbs. Think sugary snacks. Processed foods triggers insulin spikes. Over time, your body starts ignoring insulin, but it's not just carbs. High levels of fat in the blood, especially triglycerides, can also make it harder for your body to respond to insulin. Inflammation is another key player. Excess sugar in the blood can bond with proteins to form harmful compounds, causing inflammation and damaging your cells. And don't forget about gut health. Imbalances in gut bacteria can affect how your body handles food, which may lead to insulin resistance and weight gain. How to reverse it? Here's the good news: you can fight back against insulin resistance. Here are some proven strategies. Number 1, intermittent fasting. A 16-hour fast with an 8-hour eating window can dramatically lower insulin levels. This gives your body a break from continuously processing glucose and allows insulin levels to fall, improving insulin sensitivity over time. While intermittent fasting doesn't restrict what you eat during eating periods, it's important to avoid overeating, especially high-carb or sugary foods. Number 2, eat a balanced diet. Choose low glycemic index G foods. The glycemic index measures how quickly carbohydrates in food raise blood sugar levels. Low G foods cause a slower, more gradual rise in blood sugar and insulin, which helps improve insulin sensitivity. Examples of low glycemic index foods: non-starchy vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, peppers, whole grains, quinoa, oats, bulgur, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, beans, berries and other low-sugar fruits, strawberries, blueberries, apples, nuts and seeds. Increase fiber intake. Fiber slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and helps reduce insulin spikes. High-fiber diets are associated with improved insulin sensitivity and better blood sugar control. Good sources of fiber: vegetables, especially leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables, seeds and nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds, legumes and whole grains. Prioritize healthy fats. Healthy fats help reduce inflammation and improve insulin function. Focus on fats that provide omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, while avoiding trans fats and excessive saturated fats, which can worsen insulin resistance. Have more avocados and olive oil. Number 3, exercise. Interval training, especially when fasting, is great for reducing insulin levels. Number 4, supplements. Things like chromium, magnesium, and alpha-lipoic acid can help improve insulin sensitivity. Plus, lowering stress is huge. Chronic stress raises your cortisol, which in turn spikes blood sugar. Managing stress. whether through mindfulness or simply getting better sleep, can help keep insulin in check. To sum it up, insulin resistance can lead to a cycle of weight gain, fatigue, and health problems if left unchecked. But with simple lifestyle changes like watching your carb intake, fasting, exercising, and reducing stress, you can regain control of your health. So what do you think? Could insulin resistance be affecting you? If so, now you've got the tools to tackle it. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Stay tuned for more tips on living your healthiest life. See you next time.